Hi, my name's Debbie and this is Pip, my little travel companion, and we just wanted to welcome you and introduce ourselves. Hope you enjoy the video. I stayed at a caravan park on the way down to Lake's Entrance. It was called Best Friends Holiday Park or Caravan Park down near Yarram, and it's set up with about 6 different dog runs. You've got a choice of accommodation that's has fenced in areas. It was absolutely beautiful there, set in the hills, awesome drive in and an interesting drive out after a storm. But a really pretty place, and I'd recommend it for anyone going down that way.
Debbie and Pip are rolling with the rollers.
Rolling Solo. Rolling Solo is a group of ladies that I've only just met for the first time in Lake's Entrance. It was a small group of ladies and I formed a very strong friendship with quite a few of them. We spent the days doing bike rides, sitting around talking and going out for lunch. Colibanaban has some solo art on the way through, so I stopped in to take some photos. I was very impressed.
So happy, wild and free.
Tallangatta, we stayed at the showgrounds, a rather large group, about 60 of us in total. Some had powered sides, some had unpowered. We went for bike rides, went into town for tea, and a really pretty little place.
And wagging tails and music everywhere. Pip collects admirers as she trots with her tail in the air, bringing smiles to everyone who meets her happy face. From rivers, parks, and mountains to country towns unknown, the rollers make each campsite feel a little bit like home. Every stop's a treasure, and every road's a song. And Debbie, Pip, and friends keep rolling right along. Pip may be little, but she's brave and true, always by Debbie's side in everything they do. Through sunshine and sunsets and starlit skies above, every mile is filled with friendship, laughter and love. Debbie and Pip are rolling with the rollers.
Lake Nilakooty. We stayed with the rollers again at Nilakooty. It's called Shady Lakes Park, and it's just a bush camp with powered sites and unpowered sites and clean amenities. It was a real fun time with a pretty medium-sized group, I would say, but a lot of the girls that I was starting to get to know, so I felt very comfortable. We went for walks over to the lake and had a walk around there. Pip absolutely loved the water.
She loves that.
After I left Tallangatta, I went to Rochester to stay with a different group, the CMCA Solo Group, and stayed at the reserve there with no power and water to see how I went. I was very impressed by the solo art there once again at Rochester. Very impressive.
Rollers roll on. For a classic country feel, imagine acoustic guitar, light fiddle, gentle drums, and a warm harmony vocal joining in.
Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.